2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever
I wanted to come on here and show how I wrap my soft locks to give that knotless flat look. So I first braid in the soft lock, then I'm going in here and just crocheting the wrapping hair onto the lock, well, at the base of the lock. I like to do it by row, so I braid in each soft lock in, well, the row that you see now, and then the row above. It just makes it much easier when I'm going in to wrap. So yes, that's what you see me doing here. Again, I'm not taking a big piece of wrapping hair. You want to make sure that you're not using too much of this hair, because that's what determines how bulky the lock is going to be. So the more hair you use, or the thicker piece of hair that you use to wrap the lock, it'll determine how thick the lock itself will be.
Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Jury in the safe on arrival, pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get your images that last.
Okay, so here you see me wrapping, right? You want to make sure when you're wrapping, you have the hair flat. You're not pulling it too tight, and you're not creating bubbles, right? You want that hair to lay flat to cover the client's hair as much as possible. And again, this type of hair like kind of locks itself and it keeps itself in place, but you do want to make sure that once you're getting to the ends of the client's actual hair, you're making sure that it's covered, because then it'll end up sticking out and it affects the longevity of the style. You want to make sure that you have your hair prepped. You have it separated already in pieces that you're going to use, or the amount that you're going to use. It just makes it so much easier, so you don't have to stop and move and separate like you see me doing here. Again, you see me wrapping and having the hair flat, and you see me using my thumb on my left hand as like a kind of guide for where I want the hair to go and where I want it to lay at, and like smoothing the hair over.
30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one to see my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a
So here's just another angle on how I'm wrapping the hair. You also can see how I added in that second piece of wrapping hair. Yeah, and then as you can see, I'm wrapping, using my thumb to kind of smooth over where I want it to lay and make sure it's covering my client's natural hair.
You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no 30 degrees, way too low, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Jury in the safe on arrival, pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light though. I can show you bigger things than
So here's the final look. I absolutely love them. She loved them, of course. I'm definitely gonna be posting more, so comment down below what y'all think of the final look, what you want to see from me, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.